And here we are at Ken Thompson Park, also known as City Island, looking over there at downtown Sarasota and the Ringling Bridge. And where's Kev? Oh, peeking around the monument. Let's skate around City Island. This is one of our favorite places to skate because it's right off Lido Key, in between Lido Key and Longboat Key, off the coast of Sarasota, Florida. And there's all sorts of concrete sidewalks to skate out here. It's so smooth, and beautiful views and water all around us. Yeah, it looks like they're out there in little sailboats today. The sailing squadron's usually around here as well. All right, so lead the way, Kev. Off we go. So it's such a pretty day today. We just want to get outside, show y'all a little bit of the area, the coast of Sarasota County. There's miles and miles of really good skating out here. Nice and smooth. You don't have like the problems of intersections and traffic and all of that kind of thing that sometimes you run into in downtown. Out here by the coast, not at all. It's really mellow. But such beautiful weather. It's at like 86, I don't know, 86 degrees today, something like that. 87, the high.
You're coming out of the southwest.
20 knots.
20 knots.
I wouldn't know anything about that. Although today's very little wind. But I'm not a sailor. All right. For advice, I asked Sailor Jerry.
Beautiful weather, the water.
So this is, I believe this is New Pass, right? That we're going to be skating right by. New Pass in between the bridge from Longboat over to Lido Key. And just one of our favorite places because you can skate. It's beautiful, the color of the water out here in Sarasota Bay. And then all along here through New Pass.
We're so lucky to have these areas.
Yeah. If you're looking for places to visit where you can skate all over the place, there's lots of skate parks. There's even a local roller rink, which a lot of towns don't have anymore. And of course, lots of outdoor skating by the water, beaches, swimming, fishing, kayaking, paddleboarding, yoga on the beach, you name it. Sarasota and the surrounding islands have everything. Woo-hoo. And up there's the bridge at New Pass. All right, so now we're moving on. We're skating through the backside of Moat Marine. There's like several different parts of the Moat Marine complex over here. And that they have an aquarium, like laboratories, a variety of different marine and aquatic species. They have like gators, otters, pretty much everything, a little bit of everything. Manatees, dolphins, like rehab, that kind of thing.
What's that? Manatees?
Yeah. Usually, they rehab them sometimes at a moat. And other species as well, turtles, that kind of thing. All right. So we're moving on. Where are we heading, Kev? As you can see, there's so much open space in this park. If you want to come out and run with your dog, if you have a dog, this is a really nice place to do it. Or like play soccer or whatever. Tag. Any kind of game like that. Woo! And we're chugging along Ken Thompson Parkway, I believe, toward the bridge. So I hope this video doesn't cut off. Oh, that's Moat. Well, part of Moat Marine. Hey, everybody. Manatees, sea turtles, otters, crocs, and more. Hello. All right. So here we are. We got to get up. Now, we've had these problems with these videos getting cut off after like the 5-minute mark. We're using a GoPro Hero 7, and I don't know if it's just like the battery or the heat. Could be both, I don't know. But if it goes over 5 minutes, sometimes it cuts off. So I hope it won't cut off. We're gonna try to skate faster, but try not to fall over at the same time. I got the camera. All right, to our right, we have a Dry Dock Marina. Oh, there's a ski show over here on Sundays. Yeah, and this is the Moat Marine Laboratory, kind of like the aquarium part of it. You can go in there and like look at all sorts of aquatic creatures. You can even like pet the stingrays. It's pretty cool. All right. There's all sorts of like most of these buildings are associated with Moat Marine in some way or other around here. All right, so we're moving on up. Oh, jumping the little grate. This is a, oh yeah, we're gonna make it up to the bridge. All right, here we go. So, slightly uphill, very slightly, because of course we're Florida and we don't have a lot of hills. Yeah, but over there's the bridge. Okay, so once we get to the top of this little slope, where the intersection is, if we were to turn right and go over the bridge, we would go over to Longboat Key. And if we were to turn left and go down Lido Key through St. Armand's into Lido Beach, and eventually around over the Ringling Bridge to downtown Sarasota. So hopefully that gives you all a little overview. Like I say, you could skate miles in either direction if you wanted to along the coast here. But yeah, that's the bridge over New Pass. And we're gonna head on into Lido. But for now, see you later.
Bye guys.
See you next time.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.